Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your INFINIX Hot 6Ti. So first, what you guys need to do is check your headphones. So test your headphones with another device to make sure that they're working, and inspect the headphone jack, which is at the bottom close to the charging port, for any visible damage or debris, because debris can easily block the connection. So what you guys can do next is restart your phone. So hold the power button for 3 seconds. Don't mind this popping up. Now click restart and tap again to restart your INFINIX. Now I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones. So grab another headphones that have the 3.5mm jack and plug them into your headphone port. Now they are plugged in, and what you guys can do next is make sure to check the software updates. So you check them to check for any available software updates that might fix the issue. So on the old versions of the software, you can have a lot of glitches, and if you update to the newer one, most of those glitches are fixed. So go to my phone and click on XOS. Now wait for it to load up, and it will tell you if your software is up to date. Mine is, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. Now after that, what you guys can do is clean the headphone jack. So you guys can grab a toothpick or a small brush to carefully remove anything that's inside, like dust or debris. Now, what you guys can do for the Bluetooth headphones, basically go over to the main page of the settings and go to Bluetooth. Now, make sure to turn it on, then turn it off, and what you guys can do last but not least, turn it on again. So, turn it on. Now we have successfully restarted it. And if you got your headphones paired already, what you guys can do is forget them and repair them right here. Now, make sure to charge them up to 100%. Once I've had a situation where my headphones were on 60 or 70% and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100, then they connected without any issues. So make sure to charge them up. Now, avoid the device interference. Whenever you have another device that's already connected to your headphones, then that's why your headphones are not connecting to this particular device. So make sure that no other device is connected to those headphones, and if it is, make sure to forget those headphones from the device that you don't want them to be. Now, as a last resort, what you guys can do is factory reset your phone. So you need to go over to the main page. Now scroll all the way down and go over to System. Now you need to scroll a bit down, go to Backup, Reset and Restore, and click on Reset Phone. But first, go and click on Backup to Google Drive for an example. As you guys can see, you can click Backup now and your data will be backed up so you don't lose anything. Now go to Reset Phone, click Erase All Data. And as you guys can see, everything will be deleted, also including our Google account, system app data and settings, and everything that we have, like photos and downloaded stuff. So click Erase All Data, click it again, and draw a pattern. Now click Erase All Data here. But first, make sure that you have everything saved up somewhere. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.